Hello, welcome to Stacy Lee Beauty. My name is Stacy, and as you saw from the title, today we are going to be talking all about Huda Beauty. If you are new here, my name is Stacy, and once in a while I like to do videos where I go in depth about a brand, the history, who owns it, all that kind of stuff. So today I wanted to do Huda Beauty. I recently got my first Huda Beauty item, this Mauve Obsession palette in my Ipsy October bag. I'll link that video down below if you want to see it. But that was my first dealing with anything from the line. I am wearing that on my eyes today, just kind of to give you an overview. I think that it was pretty good. The matte colors are definitely very pigmented, easy to work with. The shimmers, you kind of have to either wet your brush or apply with your finger. And this side one over here, it just kind of seemed more of like a shadow topper than real pigmentation. But I did like the colors and I will continue to use them. Huda Katan, I don't know if I'm saying that right, is the founder. And it is reported that her net worth is $610 million. She was born in Oklahoma and raised in Tennessee. She did train as a makeup artist in LA, and then after college she ended up going to Dubai to do a PR job, and in 2010 she started a blog and then followed by a YouTube channel. In 2013 she started with her two sisters as the co-founders with a line of synthetic and faux mink lashes through Sephora. And I did not know that that's how they got their start, was lashes. I would have thought it was palettes because I feel like that is what I think of when I think of Huda Beauty. They sold out on launch day. After that, she branched out into foundations, concealers, lipsticks, etc. It is estimated that the retail sales in the first year of the company was over $1.5 million. Can you imagine in your first year of business? That is just amazing. In 2017, the company received an investment from TCG Consumer Partners, which is a private equity firm. That same firm in the past has also invested in companies such as Smashbox and It Cosmetics, so they are definitely very familiar with the makeup beauty industry. By 2018, Huda Beauty was the top selling line in Sephora in the Middle East stores. The brand was also in more than 900 stores in the US and another 600 globally. You can even build your own gift sets on their site, which I thought was a cool idea. The brand does offer a variety of makeup, eyeliners, shadows, lashes, mascaras, and prices for their eye products range from $16 for lashes to $67 for a palette. Foundation, concealer, that kind of thing, prices range from $30 to a concealer to $55 for a highlight all over highlight body thing. The lip product ranges is from $19 for a lip pencil to $33 for a mini liquid set that's currently on their site. And another thing that I had no idea about is they have an accessory line on their website, which I thought was interesting because usually you don't see that on most beauty companies, or at least I haven't noticed it. So you can get hair clips, bags, the makeup brushes, that makes sense. But so yeah, some interesting things. So they definitely have a variety on their website. And earlier this year, it was announced, she chose to announce it on her YouTube channel first, that she was appointing a new CEO to the company so that she could concentrate more on product development and pay attention to the content of her products. So the new CEO is Natalie Christo, and she is not a stranger in the beauty industry. She has been with the company since 2018, and she has 20 years experience in the beauty industry. So the company is in good hands. And these sources, I did get this information from looking online at Forbes and Wikipedia. I did reach out to them because I couldn't find anywhere online on their site if their products are just kind of made all over or if there's certain countries that most of their lines are made in. Let me check to make sure they didn't answer me. I always find it interesting to know where the majority of their products are made. So that's why I was trying to find that out. I think it was her that I heard that the larger palettes were made in Italy, like that new Naughty Nudes was made in Italy. So I'm curious if anyone out there has a large Huda Beauty palette. If you could let me know down below where it's made, and if you happen to have a smaller one that's made in China, I would love to know if the quality is the same. I'm just really interested in that. And yeah, let me know if you like these type of videos, if you like hearing about brand history. Let me know if you like these videos, if you like learning about brand history, if there's anything that you want me to add when I'm researching the brands, or if there's anything that you can think of that will make this seem more interesting as a video. I don't want it to be too boring and just blah, a bunch of information, but let me know your thoughts. I like to research, so I figured I'd share it because maybe there's people out there also that like to know this kind of stuff. But yeah, just let me know. And I think that's it. There wasn't too much that I could find on her or the company. Everything I researched every site I went to pretty much just said the same things. So there's not much out there. I feel like some companies, there's tons of information out there and some not so much. But thank you for watching. Bye.